Hi everyone, welcome back to another round of phonics, and we're continuing with our soft G focus in GE, GI, and GY. Remember, when that G is combined with the E, the I, or the Y, it's going to say J. What's it going to say? J. What's it going to say? J. So we're going to take a look at our words today. Remember, it's not sound by sound, and it's not syllable blend. It's whole word, and you're being mindful of that as you're looking at the word, watching me scoop out the words for you. Try your best to use all that you know about blending to say the words. Ready? Boys and girls, go ahead. 3, teachers, 2, 1.
Pager, merger, charger, larger.
Okay. Pager, merger, charger, and larger. I reread it for fluidity. Can someone please tell me what is the focus there? Miss T.
I noticed the ger sound spelled G-E-R.
Very nice. We have jur, and jur. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss Yakimowicz.
They all have 2 syllables.
Very good. 2 syllables. Are there any R control vowels that you notice? Yes.
Yes.
T.
I noticed the R-controlled sound spelled E-R, and then the A-R.
And do you remember how to say A-R?
R.
Very good. So we have ER here, and then we have AR and AR here. Let's jump to line 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Magic, logic, tragic.
Beautifully done. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Magic, logic,
and
tragic.
What did you notice, Ms. Yakimowicz?
I noticed that all 3 words have jick, spelled G-I-C.
So we have jick, and jick here. And anything else that you may have noticed, Miss T?
I noticed that they're all 2-syllable words.
Yes, and it's important to notice the split here. So we know that the GI together is going to make that G say j, but it's split here. So it's something to note mentally that not every single word that has the GI is going to stay in 1 syllable. It can be split into 2. Let's jump over to line 3. Ready? 3, and the IE is E here. 3, 2, 1.
Gypsy,
Gypsum,
apology. Very good. That's a schwa A. Apology. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Gypsies, gypsum, apology.
What did you notice, Ms. Yakimowicz?
I noticed that they all have the GY.
Very good. We have the GY here, and GY here. Miss T, what else did you notice?
They're also multisyllabic.
Very good. Let's jump over to our sentence. Remember, boys and girls, this is that time where we're trying to be word detectives, and we're trying to figure out how many words did you note here in this sentence that have the GE, GI, GY. Teachers, when you're ready, go ahead and show me how many did you find. All right, let's go ahead and start with Ms. Yakimowicz since she was so gun-ho. Go ahead and tell me.
The first one is gypsies.
Gypsies. Miss T?
Giant.
Giant. Miss Yakimowicz?
Larger.
Larger. Miss T?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Nailed it. Let's go ahead and have the teachers reread that so that you can hear the model of those words. Ready? Here we go. Teachers.
Gypsies.
Giant.
Larger. Giraffe.
Boys and girls, the rest of them are pretty easy, either high frequency words or CVC words or combined. 3, 2, 1.
The gypsies had a giant pancake larger than a giraffe.
Ms. Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity, please?
The gypsies had a giant pancake larger than a giraffe.
And Miss T, can you go ahead and skip that?
Ooh, the gypsies had a giant pancake larger than a giraffe.
Very nice. And it's not decoding time, group. What is it?
Encoding.
It's encoding time. Please make sure that you have those paper, pencil, marker, whiteboards, whatever you may need. And if you need the scaffolds, go ahead and take the time to write them down. Boys and girls, you can hit pause if you need to. Teachers, when you're ready, we'll begin. Oh, Yes, Miss T. Okay, here we go. The first word is wager. What is it?
Wager.
Wager. Teacher, show me. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go to the next word. The word is magic. Magic. What's the word? Magic. Be careful. Magic. Magic. Show me magic. And it magically appeared. Yes, you're right. Next word is tragic. What is it? Tragic. Traj. Tragic. Show me, teachers. Excellent. All right. Don't skip a beat on this one. The word is gyrate. What is it? Gyrate. Rate. Gyrate. Show me, teachers. Excellent. A blank E. Here we go. Next word is gyroplane. Ready? Gyroplane. Teachers. Excellent. A blank E again. Jumping down here, the word is gyroscope. What is it? Gyroscope. Gyroscope. Show me, teachers. Gyroscope. Excellent. We're down to the sentence. And again, boys and girls, you can hit pause if you need that extra time to write the scaffold down. Teachers, when you're ready. Beautiful. All right, here we go. He had a wager. Wager with, this is a name, please be mindful, it needs to be capitalized, Ginger, and there's no Y, so that's a short I here. Ginger, to fly the next word is gyroplane. Teacher, show me your work. He had a wager with Ginger to fly the gyroplane. Awesome songs, you guys. Don't pat yourselves on the back. Job well done. Students, remember, these are harder words because it is day 4. Or wait, day 3? It is a day. All right, kids. Don't forget to subscribe and come back again to practice that soft G. All right, bye.